This young man is going to clean our coconut tree of cocos, and he's doing it free of charge, but he gets to keep them. So I'm curious to see how he goes about doing this. He's got a very sharp curved blade that I think he's gonna throw up there. Or is he gonna do the monkey thing and climb? Oh, yeah. Las mono! Well, just a little monkey up there. Pretty hard to see, there's so many leaves. The coconuts should start dropping pretty quick though, he's just getting into position. Can't see him at all anymore. Let's walk around and see what we can see. Also being very cognizant of staying away from the falling cocos. Where are we? Might be too much sun there. Okay, let's try over here.